In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Once we start speaking and once we start understanding the very basic communication, once we start walking, our parents take us to the school. We do spend a good amount of time on almost a daily basis, and we spend a considerable amount of our life in the educational institutions. All of that is necessary, and all of that mean that we have to learn. We have to learn. We have to learn reading. We have to learn writing. We read the discoveries of the other people. We have to learn a lot before we are able to lead a good life. Most of the people do learn from their educational institutions. Some of the people get only the basic education from their educational institutions. Later on, they do learn on their own. They learn from their own experiences. They learn from their own observations. Somehow they continue the learning. The learning should be continued. Rather, the learning must be continued. And it is the learning actually which brings the best out of us. It is the learning actually which brings the best out of us. And if at all we don't want to learn, this is really bad. We will do the hell. Learning from the educational institutions, that is very useful, very useful, very useful. Though some of the people have got a lot, learnt a lot outside their educational institutions as well, on their own, by their own experiences, by their own observations. There are certain great personalities in the world today. They learnt very little from their educational institutions, rather, they were thrown out, and then they learnt so much on their own. Today, the world knows them, today, the world respects them. I think both types of learning is very important. On the one hand, from whatever we can learn out of the educational institutions, then we need to learn from our own life as well. We need to learn from our own experiences as well. We need to learn from our own observations as well, and we need to learn. We need to have mentors. We need to have coaches. We need to have trainers. We need to have good friends. We need to learn from the mistakes of ourselves. We need to learn from the mistakes of the other people. Somehow the learning, it is very important. It is rather essential. Apart from the learning, prior to the learning, we need to think and we need to say that I can do that. I can do that. I can do that is something very first one. I can do that is something which is very first one. If I say that I can't do that, this means even if I have been gifted the talent to do that, even if I have been gifted by Allah a very good potential, talents, abilities, intelligence, resources, yet I shall not be able to do that. Why? Because I have gave a command to my mind that don't do that. I have given the command to my conscious mind, to my subconscious mind, that you don't have to do this. That is why I shall not be able to do that. But saying and believing that I can do it and doing it without learning, again it is something really bad. Why is it bad? I shall like to put forward an example. Say that somebody says that I can't learn the driving, and she will never be able to learn it actually. But if at all she says that I can drive, and I can drive without learning, this is something fatal. This is something very dangerous. It could be fatal as well. We must avoid an attitude like this one. Rather, all what we need to say is what is the balanced approach and what is the right approach. The balanced and the right approach is that I can do that, saying and believing that I can do that, and then start learning. Learning is important, learning is essential. Without learning, I think that we cannot move forward. We cannot bring the best out of ourselves. And obviously, driving a vehicle without learning, it is like reinventing the wheel, and it is very dangerous actually. It could we are putting our own life and the lives of the other people at risk as well. For what? For nothing. So saying and believing that I can do that, it is no doubt that it is important, no doubt that it is very important. And it is equally important to learn. Learning, although we can learn from our own experiences as well, we can learn from our own observation as well, but we do have to learn, and we can learn a lot from the experiences of the other people, from the observations of the other people. How can we learn from the experiences and from the observations of the other people? So much of the printed material, written material is available, and the coaches are there, the mentors are there, the trainers are there, the teachers are there. So all of these things, I think that we need to avail. This is the difference. Now this is the difference between being confident and being overconfident. Confident is a person who says that I can do that, she tries one's level best to do that. And overconfident is a person who thinks and who believes that I can learn that I can do that without learning. This is overconfidence. Overconfidence is very dangerous thing. Confidence is something useful. Confidence is something necessary. But be wary of being overconfident. Overconfident can somehow spoil our life, and it can spoil the lives of the other people as well. Thank you.